Praceta and Miramar. So this is this little area with all these plaza that goes all the way from that area through here all the way down there, and we're gonna go explore it all.
Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Praceta de Miramar. Let's go check it out. So we're kind of on this main street. There's a World Trade Center right there, that red and white. I think we'll get some other angles of that anyways, but I do want to capture all the perimeters of it. And we start with this park, and then this area right here, this one goes underneath to that World Trade Center. So this whole street kind of goes all the way down. There's some casinos, there's Star World down that way, and then this is the thing that goes like that, and you got WTC, World Trade Center. And we're gonna just kind of walk around this area a little bit and just kind of give you a little context of it. I think we're gonna go in a little circle. So we have some restaurants that are closed. For some reason, this area feels kind of closed and quiet. I don't know why. All these are closed. I don't know if today is a Thursday. There's agencies and clinics, and it kind of goes into this street back there that's kind of looks kind of cool. I filmed parts of it before. It goes by a different name, but this particular one I want to focus in on this area. More closed businesses again here too. And over here you usually got like people kind of hanging out more. It's a rainy day today, so it might be the reason that things are kind of empty. Go right into the park area. So a lot of people, older people, exercise around here, sometimes kids too. But there's little tiny ones for kids, but they like to play on the big ones anyways. I'm gonna keep on walking down. Massage. Beautiful trees. World Trade Center in the background. Massage place. Jardim San On. And you got the Good Mart. There's also a little playground down here too. So this Good Mart looks like 7-Eleven or Circle K, but it looks kind of small. And then it comes down to here, and this goes into Zhuhai Shaman. And there's also Polytech, one of the universities is over there, of Zhuhai Shaman. So, okay. So yeah, that's the MPI, the Bell Center, Macau Polytech Institute, I believe. So that's our focus right here, Praceta de Miramar. Little playground right there. That's the center part. So I think what we'll do is just kind of show you the other parts. Look at those trees. Those trees are kind of cool too. Look at all these giant, beautiful trees. 1, 2, 3, 4. They look like something you'd see in Los Angeles. And they're also like, some of them are kind of green. They have like a kind of a green color to them. Yeah, that's the floor right there. Some beautiful trees. It's like kind of a banyan tree. I don't know what this is. Mora K. Got all these kind of lined up with all these apartments, and you can also go across the street right down that way too. This street is a little bit hard to cross because it's Praceta de Miramar. It's hard to cross because it's it's like this is where the speedway goes, so the Grand Prix goes through there, and basically to get through it you have to go underground, and there's a little underground thing right straight ahead, and an elevator thing too. So basically the only way to cross this from Zape area to Nape is to get across that road, and the only way to get across is there, another one that goes underground not too far away, or that one that goes overground. least this whole thing is focused. And that one massage place, it's the only place open. As well as that Good Mart. So anyways, gives you a little bit more perspective of Macau. That's how you go under. Or you can also take this one right here, which is what we're gonna do. Going by foot, going under by foot. Huh. That's all this construction here for. Huh. To go around like this. Okay.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha,